Really see how worn these gears are and how they're coming apart. It's not just dirt, I mean it's worn through the hardened steel on there. That's the bevel gears, and once a chunk of that comes off and gets wedged in there, well, then it breaks the housing apart because it can't go through there. The castings and everything on this transmission, they're just aluminum, so they can't handle, well, nothing would take that kind of force, you know. 70 miles an hour down the interstate, a chunk of that gear comes off like it already had on this one. I don't know how that wasn't a fatal transmission failure. So this one's about used up.